Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So, today we will have a look at another famous poem by Kamala, which is The Looking Glass. So, again, this is a confessional poem, and the narrator here wants to rebel against the phallocentric world order, so against patriarchy. You will find masculine versus feminine energy, the completeness and incompleteness of women, then the humiliation that women have to go through. Again, Kamala speaks about the physical aspect of love. Throughout the poem, I felt that she maintained a very sarcastic tone. Now, about the title, Looking Glass. So, a looking glass is a mirror, and what do you do when you stand before a mirror? You look at yourself, you see how things are going on with you, and so yes, this actually symbolizes self-realization. All right. Getting a man to love you is easy. Only be honest about your wants as woman. Stand nude before the glass with him, so that he sees himself as the stronger one and believes it so, and you so much more softer, younger, lovelier. All right, so here she is sort of like giving advices to women as to about how to win over a man's heart. So how to get a man to love you? First of all, stand with him before a mirror side by side, so that he can have a look at you and at himself, and he can see that he is the stronger one, while you are softer, younger, and lovelier. Now, these three words, the poet doesn't use these three words as praises, but rather she hints at the weakness of women. Admit your admiration. Notice the perfection of his limbs, his eyes reddening under the shower, the shy walk across the bathroom floor, dropping towels, and the jerky way he urinates. All the fond details that make him male and your only man. So here, all of these words like perfect limbs, reddening eyes, then shy walk, jerky way, so they represent different aspects of a man's character, or the way a man is. For instance, the perfect limbs, they hint at his strength. The reddening eyes maybe to his weakness. Shy walk to his embarrassment. So a woman, Kamala Dash is saying that if you want a man to love you, then admire him. So admire him through anything, through his strength, his weakness, his embarrassment, whatever thing your man is going through, just admire him, and that will make him yours. Also, she uses these words, fond details, as very ironic. Because ironic, why? Because they don't only talk about the positive aspects of a man, but also a negative one. So through everything, you must just express your admiration. Gift him all. Gift him what makes you woman. The scent of long hair, the mask of sweat between the breasts, and the warm shock of menstrual blood, and all your endless female hungers. Oh yes, getting a man to love is easy, but living without him afterwards may have to be faced. So no matter how your man is, you still have to gift him whatever makes you a woman. So you have to surrender your womanhood to him. You have to surrender yourself to him. Um, in this way, you will win his love. So even though here, s- look at this part, the warm shock of menstrual blood. So Kamala is talking about some the traits of women. So when you're menstruating, it means that you have the power to give birth, right? So despite being seemingly weak, women have endless power within themselves. And the thing is, even though you are powerful, you still must submit yourself. You must surrender yourself to the man so that he might love you. So, to win over a man, to win a man's love is very easy. Then what is difficult? The difficult part comes when you have to live without him. Now, maybe your man will leave you without any explanation. Maybe he will die, or I don't know. He will just, you two maybe won't be together in the future. That is when you will face problems. Why? A living without life, when you move around meeting strangers, with your eyes that gave up their search, with ears that hear only his last voice, calling out your name and your body, which once under his touch had gleamed like burnished brass, now drab and destitute. This last part shows how women are emotionally like too much involved. Sorry, they are emotionally too much. Yes, they have invested emotionally, and this investment might prove to be harmful for them when the man leaves, because he treated this relationship very casually. Also, it's a living without life. Now, only because your man leaves you doesn't mean that your life is over. But the society will treat you like your life is over. You have no value without a man by your side. So that is ironic. Why do women need a man to validate themselves? Why do they need a man to lead life? So the society insists on the incapability of leading a purposeful life without a partner, and that is what Kamala Dash has problem with, because you can always live by yourself. It's not like just because a man leaves you, your life is over. So yes, you can like interpret it in various ways, this last part. And yeah, that was all from the poem. If you have questions, you can just leave them in the comment section. I will try to answer. And also, if you have some observations, you can share them with me. And thank you so much for listening to this short lecture. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day.